Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Mac OS is up to date and you have at least a few gigabytes free. This prevents interruptions. Next, install or update GarageBand from the App Store, then launch it. You'll see templates. Pick one that matches your goal, like voice or electronic. Once chosen, name and save the project immediately to a convenient folder. This avoids losing work. Make sure audio input and output are accessible in System Preferences before you proceed. Once your project is saved, go to GarageBand Preferences and pick the correct audio device. This ensures low latency and proper routing. Create the tracks you need: an audio track for a microphone, a software instrument track for MIDI keyboards or virtual instruments. Arm the tracks and adjust gain so the meters peak without clipping. Then set your tempo and enable the metronome if you need a steady click. Make sure monitoring is on if you want to hear input while recording. Now record using cycle mode for multiple takes. This lets you comp together a clean performance later. After recording, edit regions with the scissors and fade handles, use quantize to tighten timing, and apply basic EQ and compression to improve clarity. Once the mix sounds balanced, check levels against clipping, then export via Share Export Song to Disk and select your format and quality. If you encounter no audio or high latency, check that sample rate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.